Hello, and welcome back to Efficiency and Organization, the YouTube channel that talks all about being more productive, more organized, more decluttered, well-planned, with excellent time management all year round. This video is on decluttering and organizing tips and ideas number 31 to 35. So as you can imagine, just from the title, videos that have the ideas 1 through 30 have already been released, and they will be posted in the description box of this video. So if you want to check those out, just go in the description, click on them, and you'll be able to see them. And of course, as always, I'd love for you to join our community on this YouTube channel of folks who want to achieve a lot more in life by being more organized, more decluttered, and just having systems in their lives. So if all this sounds good to you, you want to subscribe, like this video. All right, so let's get to number 31, insurance documents. What you want to do is have those looked at, because insurance is one of those things that we don't like to really talk about, look at, discuss. I mean, I get my renewals and then I go, oh, okay, like I know it needs to be paid, I pay it, and then there it goes. But if I look in my insurance folder, I probably have stuff from like 6-7 years ago that I absolutely don't need anymore. So I need to declutter, and so we're gonna do it as a team, okay? You're gonna go through your insurance documents, I'm gonna go through my insurance documents, and we are gonna clutter or declutter the folder. Let's only keep whatever documents we need from the last 3 years, and everything else can be thrown away. I'm thinking 4 years might be better. Let's keep for 4 years. Anything before that, out it goes. Shred. Okay, tip 32. Shred documents that you do not need anymore, like your utility bill copies, billing notices. I know that a lot of people like to keep them, but you know what? Those billing notices, you don't need them beyond a year. Plus, nowadays, with everything being automated, like let's say you're looking for your bill for your gas bill. If you go on the company's website, you're going to be able to retrieve them from like 2-3 years ago. So you don't need to keep physical copies. So let's go ahead and get rid of all those. If you want to shred, otherwise just throw them out. The important ones that I like to not throw away have to do with taxes and have to do with mortgage, like the big purchases and the big things that have to do with anything to do with the government. Those I tend to keep. But everything else, no, I try to get rid of, because then it's just way too much clutter, way too many places that I need to find to store things, and I don't want to do that. Okay, the next tip has to do with our drawers. So like in the closet, what you're going to do if you have your nightstand, if you have any closet space with drawers, you are going to empty them out completely, and then you're going to reorganize, put everything back again. So if it's shirts, if it's socks, anything like that that you have drawers for, empty out, organize, put back. Anything that you see needs to be thrown out, great, take them out, don't put them back. However, instead of just throwing them away, how about you save them, use them as rags? So what I do is underneath my faucet, my sink, I have a place like in the cabinet, and I put it there in the bathroom. And then every time I'm cleaning the house, I just grab one of those, and that's what I use, like for wiping the floor and stuff, and then I get rid of it. Because those aren't necessarily things that you can donate, right? A lot of times it's undergarments and socks. You can't really donate those. So that's why I use them as rags, and then I get rid of them. Tip number 34. This one has to do with your phone. So you are going to look at your smartphone and look at all the apps you have not used for more than a year, delete. And the way it works is on my phone, especially, like I just press and hold for a few seconds, and then it'll give me the option to exit. And that's what you want to do. Just declutter your phone, because a lot of those apps, they're taking like space, storage space and stuff. And then when you do look for apps that you do use, they're like cluttered all over the place. You have to keep scrolling to find them. No. And also storage space saver on your phone if you get rid of apps that you do not need. And the last one for this video, tip 35. When you get your statement, credit card statements, and your checking account, savings account statements this month, all you have to do is look at them carefully. You don't have to do this every month, but make it a point this month to do this. Go through and see exactly what charges you have. If it's online, fine, even online. because there might be some subscriptions that you're paying money for that you actually don't need and don't use. So go through one by one and see what kind of charges you are incurring on a monthly basis that you have forgotten to get rid of, you have forgotten to take out of your account, so that way you could save money. Even if it's $5, $6, $7, it still adds up over the course of a year. All right, that's what I have for this video. Please be sure to subscribe, and the next video that will have tips 36 to 40 will be released very soon. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next video.